Hello partner, today I will tell you about the interface of the Mozbit Partners Affiliate Program. After you register on the Mozbit website, you will need to go to your mailbox and find a confirmation email. By clicking on the link, you will confirm that the email belongs to you. And now you will need to contact your manager whose contacts will be indicated on the pop-up window. After you write to the manager, he will ask you a few questions, the answer to which will help the manager set up your account. After that, the manager will give you 3 links. The first is a referral link to attract partners online. The second is a link for players to download the Mozbit app. The third is a link to attract other partners from whose earning you will receive 3%. You will also need to choose the promo code that your players will specify when registering and receiving additional bonus for the first deposit. Now that your account is set up, let's look at the interface of the affiliate program. In the profile, you must specify your contact information by which the manager will be able to contact you. The dashboard shows the main analytical information on your traffic, which includes the total number of players, the number of deposits, and the amount of all deposits, as well as other statistical information. Your manager contacts are listed in your manager section. In the 24/7 support section, you can leave your questions when your personal manager is unavailable or cannot help you with solving your issues. The statistics section contains all the necessary filters so that you can analyze the traffic and the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns in detail. In the sub-partner section, you can see the amount of accrued commissions from the profit of the partners you have attracted. In the stream section, you can find your referral link and copy it. We recommend that you do not create links yourself but ask your manager to do so. This will help you avoid mistakes in setting up the stream. Using the filter in the promo section, you will be able to find the banners you need. You can also find available banner templates for promo codes in our Telegram bot, Most Banners. In the finance section, you order payments and monitor the payment status. Before the first payment, you need to notify your manager so that he activates the payment order button for you if it's inactive. Then you need to specify the details in the available payment methods and send a request for payment. Please note that the first payment may take up to 5 business days. Subsequently, you will be able to receive money to your wallet within 24 hours. I will tell you more about our Mozbit Partner store in one of the following videos. The bonuses section contains all offers from our colleagues and partners. These are popular marketing services and solutions that will help make your work even more comfortable. And with our promo codes, you can get significant discounts. We do everything to make your work comfortable and understandable. If you still have any questions, then write them in the comment below this video and our team will help you figure it out.